Let's start in a seated pose. Right leg in front of the left leg. Inhale, spine long. Just come to the right, to the front, to the left. Exhale when you go back. And let's flow through this. Inhale. Exhale. Feel your core, engage your core. Feel your hips moving. You can even close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Come back to center. Spine is long. And then we do the other side. To the left, to the front, to the side, and back. Inhale. Exhale. Close your eyes that you can feel the pulse, your core, your hip moving. Last one. Inhale to the front. Exhale back. And then come back to center. Bring your arms up. Exhale, bend to the right. Right hand to the mat. The other hand over your head. Bend the elbow. Your hand grab your head. And then send the upper elbow up. Open your chest. Feel the side stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exchange your legs. We do the other side. Left arm to the side, right arm over your head. Bend the elbow, your hands hold your head, elbow up, gaze up, chest is up, and breathe. Inhale. Exhale, come back to center. Bring your arms up. One more inhale. Exhale, let's flow to the right. Inhale to center. Flow to the left. Inhale up. Find tabletop. From tabletop, bring your hands forward to find your downward facing dog. Activate your toes, send your hips up and back. Walk your dog, bending one knee, extend one leg, then the other side. And keep that core engaged, send the hips up and breathe. We are activating that core. Relax your neck. Come back to still. Inhale, bring the right leg high. Exhale, knee and nose together. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, knee and nose together. Belly active. Inhale, right leg high. Exhale, knee and nose together. Stay there. Pivot the back foot. Right hand to the center. Extend the left arm up. The knee to the side. Up to the front of the arm. And extend the leg to the side. Exhale, find your downward facing dog to do the other side. Inhale, bring the left leg high. Exhale, knee and nose together. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, knee and nose together. Belly active. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, knee and nose together. Left hand to center. Pivot the back foot, back leg extended. Keep the neck bent. Just turn to the side. Extend the other arm up to the front. Extend the leg. Inhale. Exhale. Find your downward facing dog. And then child poses together. Open your knees wide. Rest. Let's start to meditate. Find a nice, comfortable seated pose. Close your eyes. Spine is long. And just start to come with you. Start feeling your body. Nothing to worry, just be aware of your body, how it feels today. And then come back to your breathing, the normal flow of your breathing. Your inhales and your exhales. And then I invite you to focus in your third eye, your spiritual eye, just between the eyebrows. Just bring all the attention to this area, the connection with the spiritual world. And spend some quiet moment just bringing all the attention to this area. Continue breathing. Allow the spiritual world to come to you. time to come back. Move your finger, move your toes. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center.